Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we will explore a detailed conversation about starting and running a small business, including topics such as business planning, marketing, financing, customer service, staffing, and operational strategies. This lesson will help you learn practical business vocabulary, practice speaking English, and understand real-life situations entrepreneurs face. To stay updated with our latest lessons, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share it with your friends who are learning English, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Now, let's get started and learn how to talk confidently about starting a small business in English.
Hi Mark, I'm thinking about starting my own business. Do you have any advice?
Hi Anna, that's exciting. First, you need to decide what type of business you want to start.
I'm interested in opening a small coffee shop in my neighborhood.
That's a good idea. Coffee shops are popular, but competition can be high.
How can I make my shop stand out from others?
You can offer unique products, a cozy atmosphere, or excellent customer service.
I want to create a friendly place where people feel comfortable to relax.
That's great. Customers appreciate a welcoming environment more than fancy decoration.
How important is location for a small business?
Very important. High foot traffic areas or near offices can attract more customers.
My apartment building has a small commercial space available. Do you think it's enough?
It depends on your target audience. If it's in a busy area, it could work well.
How about the initial investment? How much should I prepare?
It depends on rent, equipment, supplies, and marketing. A budget plan is essential.
I have some savings, but I might need a small loan.
That's common. Many entrepreneurs take small business loans to cover initial costs.
Do I need a business plan?
Absolutely. A detailed plan helps you stay organized and attract investors if needed.
What should I include in the business plan?
Goals, target market, products, pricing, marketing strategies, and financial projections.
I've never written a business plan before. Any tips?
Start by researching other businesses and using templates to guide your plan.
How important is market research?
Very. It helps you understand customer needs, competition, and potential demand.
Should I survey people in my neighborhood?
Yes, surveys, interviews, or informal conversations can give valuable insights.
How about naming the business? Any advice?
Choose a name that's easy to remember, unique, and reflects your brand.
I want something simple and catchy. Maybe Cozy Cup Coffee.
That sounds nice. It conveys warmth and comfort, which is what you want.
What about permits and licenses?
You need to check local regulations. Usually, a business license and health permits are required.
I've never dealt with permits before. Is it complicated?
It can be, but city offices or online resources can guide you step by step.
How should I choose suppliers for coffee and snacks?
Look for quality, reliability, and cost. Building good relationships with suppliers is key.
Should I buy expensive equipment from the start?
Not necessarily. Start with essential equipment and upgrade as your business grows.
How can I attract customers in the first month?
Use social media, flyers, opening promotions, and invite friends and neighbors.
Social media sounds important. Which platform should I start with?
Instagram and Facebook are great for small businesses with visuals and local audiences.
How often should I post online?
At least 3 to 4 times a week. Share pictures, promotions, and behind-the-scenes content.
Should I offer discounts to attract new customers?
Yes, introductory offers or loyalty programs can encourage repeat visits.
How do I set prices for coffee and snacks?
Consider costs, competitor pricing, and perceived value to customers.
How important is customer feedback?
Very. It helps improve your products, service, and overall experience.
Should I ask for feedback directly?
Yes, politely asking and listening shows you care and helps build trust.
How about hiring staff? Should I start alone or with employees?
It depends on workload. Starting alone saves money, but help can improve efficiency.
How do I find reliable employees?
Ask for references, conduct interviews, and consider experience and attitude.
Should I offer training for new staff?
Absolutely, proper training ensures consistency and better customer service.
How about managing finances? Should I hire an accountant?
Initially, you can manage with software, but an accountant helps with taxes and records.
What about daily bookkeeping?
Keep records of sales, expenses, and inventory daily. It prevents problems later.
How can I keep customers coming back?
Offer quality products, excellent service, and loyalty programs.
Should I focus on regulars or attracting new customers?
Both are important. Regulars provide stability, and new customers grow your business.
How about creating a website? Is it necessary?
Yes, a simple website helps customers find your shop, menu, hours, and contact info.
Should I accept online orders or delivery?
It's a good idea, especially if people prefer convenience. Partnering with delivery apps can help.
How do I promote my coffee shop locally?
Flyers, local events, collaborations with nearby businesses, and social media ads work well.
How important is interior design for a small coffee shop?
Very comfortable, attractive space encourages customers to stay longer and return.
Should I include free Wi-Fi for customers?
Yes, many people enjoy working or studying while drinking coffee, which increases visits.
How about music in the shop?
Background music sets the mood. Choose something soft and pleasant.
Should I sell pastries and snacks with coffee?
Yes, it increases revenue and attracts customers who want a full experience.
How can I manage inventory efficiently?
Track sales, keep minimum stock levels, and order before running out of supplies.
How important is cleanliness?
Extremely. Cleanliness affects customer experience and health inspections.
Should I offer seasonal drinks or promotions?
Yes, it creates excitement and encourages repeat visits throughout the year.
How can I deal with competition nearby?
Focus on unique products, quality, and customer service rather than only price.
How about customer complaints?
Listen carefully, apologize politely, and find a solution quickly. It builds loyalty.
How can I measure the success of my coffee shop?
Track sales, customer feedback, repeat customers, and profit margins.
Should I join local business associations?
Yes, networking can help with advice, partnerships, and attracting customers.
How do I handle slow days with few customers?
Offer promotions, post online, and plan marketing strategies for busy days.
How important is consistency in taste and service?
Extremely. Customers expect the same quality every time they visit.
How do I balance work and personal life as a small business owner?
Schedule tasks, set boundaries, and delegate when possible.
Should I invest in marketing from the beginning?
Yes, even a small budget can make a difference if used wisely online and locally.
How about using social media influencers?
Local influencers can attract attention, but choose those aligned with your brand.
Should I offer coffee tasting or events?
Yes, events create excitement and attract new customers to try your products.
How do I decide which coffee beans to use?
Consider quality, flavor, and cost. Offering unique blends can differentiate your shop.
Should I offer vegan or alternative options?
Yes, catering to different preferences attracts more customers.
How can I handle high demand during peak hours?
Train staff, streamline processes, and consider pre-orders or delivery options.
Should I track competitor prices?
Yes, to remain competitive, but focus on quality and experience rather than just price.
How can I create a memorable brand?
A consistent logo, color scheme, quality service, and unique offerings build recognition.
Should I create a loyalty program?
Yes, it encourages repeat customers and increases long-term revenue.
How do I set realistic sales targets?
Start with research, consider foot traffic, and gradually adjust based on performance.
Should I offer catering or bulk orders?
Yes, it's an extra revenue stream and introduces your shop to new customers.
How about partnerships with local offices or schools?
Great idea. They can provide regular orders and increase visibility.
Should I consider franchising later?
Only after your business is stable and profitable. It requires careful planning.
How do I stay motivated as a small business owner?
Focus on your goals, celebrate successes, and learn from challenges.
How can I reduce operational costs?
How can I reduce operational costs?
Should I hire a manager or manage everything myself?
Initially, you can manage yourself, but hiring a manager helps as the business grows.
How about managing online reviews?
Respond politely, thank customers for feedback, and address complaints quickly.
How do I handle seasonal fluctuations in sales?
Plan promotions, seasonal products, and manage inventory carefully.
Should I participate in local fairs or markets?
Yes, it increases exposure and helps attract new customers.
How important is product presentation?
Very attractive drinks and food create a positive impression and encourage sharing online.
Should I offer gift cards or merchandise?
Yes, it's another revenue source and promotes your brand.
How can I motivate staff?
Recognition, fair pay, training, and a positive work environment improve performance.
How about keeping track of customer preferences?
Yes, it helps personalize service and builds loyalty.
Should I invest in professional photography for marketing?
Yes, high-quality images attract customers and improve online presence.
How do I handle slow growth in the first year?
Stay consistent, analyze data, and adjust strategies as needed.
Should I offer seasonal drinks or limited-time products?
Yes, it keeps the menu fresh and encourages repeat visits.
How can I ensure high-quality service every day?
Train staff, set standards, and monitor customer feedback regularly.
Should I collaborate with local artists or musicians?
Yes, it creates a unique atmosphere and attracts different customer groups.
How important is sustainability in running a coffee shop?
Very eco-friendly practices attract environmentally conscious customers.
Should I invest in branded packaging?
Yes, it improves brand recognition and gives a professional image.
How do I manage online orders efficiently?
Use order management software and train staff to handle peak times.
Should I offer seasonal promotions or discounts?
Yes, they attract attention and boost sales during slow periods.
How about creating a newsletter or mailing list?
Excellent. It keeps customers informed and encourages loyalty.
Should I attend small business workshops or seminars?
Yes, they provide valuable knowledge, networking, and inspiration.
How do I handle competition from big coffee chains?
Focus on personal touch, quality, community engagement, and unique offerings.
Should I create a brand story for marketing?
Yes, customers connect emotionally with a story and it strengthens loyalty.
How important is consistency in menu and pricing?
Very important. Customers expect reliable quality and fair pricing.
Should I invest in a loyalty app or program?
Yes, digital programs make tracking rewards easy and encourage repeat visits.
How do I balance quality and cost?
Focus on efficient sourcing, reducing waste, and providing value without compromising quality.
Should I collaborate with local influencers for promotion?
Yes, they can reach new customers and increase brand visibility quickly.
How important is social media interaction with customers?
Very. Responding to comments and messages builds trust and engagement.
Should I offer seasonal merchandise?
Yes, it adds interest and increases sales during holidays or special occasions.
How do I decide which marketing strategies to focus on?
Analyze your target audience, test methods, and invest in what works best.
Should I create themed events in my coffee shop?
Yes, it attracts customers, creates excitement, and builds community engagement.
How about partnerships with local suppliers?
Strong supplier relationships ensure quality, reliability, and sometimes cost savings.
How can I make my shop more eco-friendly?
Use reusable cups, reduce waste, recycle, and source sustainable products.
Should I hire a marketing professional?
If budget allows, yes, a professional can create effective strategies and grow your brand.
How do I stay up to date with coffee trends?
Follow industry news, attend trade shows, and observe successful competitors.
How do I maintain motivation during challenging times?
Focus on your vision, celebrate small wins, and seek support from mentors or peers.
Thank you, Mark. I feel confident to start planning and launching my coffee shop now.
You're welcome, Anna. With preparation, dedication, and passion, your business can succeed.